Hello everybody and welcome back to the channel. Today what we're going to do is we're going to do a short program, a short project on how to extract emails from a text file. Now I've got a text file on my desktop, here it is, and it's got two emails in here. So we're going to extract those emails. So first of all, we're going to create a function called extract emails, and then what we're going to do, we're going to create a path to my desktop. That's where the text file is. C users mark desktop, and that's going to be keystrokes .txt. That's the file. Right, now I'm going to say with open, we're going to read that file. I'm going to type in path there, a comma, and the R flag here to read as file object, and then we're going to do content. I'm going to assign that to file object dot read. So we're going to read that content. Now what we have to do is the regex, so you have to import RE here. So I'm going to create a variable called emails and assign that to set, which checks for duplicates, and then we're going to do the regex re dot find all. Do a little flag here R, and then we're going to do S, capital S, oh, what's that? It's wrong. Okay. Okay. Right, then what we're going to do, whoops, made a mistake there, should be emails. What we're going to do, we're going to do content. Okay, then we're going to loop through the lines in there using for email in emails, then simply print off the emails we find. Okay. Right, that's the regex, looks about right. So all we have to do now is to call the program, which is called extract emails. Let's just run it. Okay, so there we go. We've just extracted those emails there from the text file. So there you go, folks. Bob's your uncle and Fanny is your auntie. I hope you enjoyed that. Remember, if you're not already subscribed to the channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button today. And I'll catch you in another video. Bye-bye.